Freezer Bound Outdoors.
Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
Monkey bread.
So you take a can of biscuits, you quarter them into little balls, you put them in cinnamon sugar, and then you drizzle like butter and brown sugar over top of it, and then you bake it for 35 minutes, and then you have monkey bread.
And homemade maple syrup.
And some homemade maple syrup
And some,
at the campsite.
put like
Is that for the...
Might as well use the rest of it, right?
yeah.
And we have our mascot, Max, right there.
And there's Max.
Don't get too crazy with that, Allison. You can overload it.
Uh-oh.
Right there. Where's the sugar bread?
Sugar bread.
I'll drizzle that maple syrup on there, Allison.
On here or there?
On this bugger right here.
On there?
In this, yep.
This is fresh maple syrup.
This is the spring. We got 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, and about half a cup of Candy Oaks maple syrup right here.
And behind Allison in the sink here, we have the monkey bread.
All right, guys, we're in the process of putting this monkey bread together. Allison's going to drizzle this butter. Be careful with it. Yep, there you go. Butter, brown sugar, maple syrup over top of these monkey balls.
Boy, does that smell good.
Oh my God. We're going to put it in a 350 oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. You're doing fantastic, Allison. That is going to be so good. Put the hot pan back on the stove, my dear. If you pick that button pan up, you can put it in the oven.
All while camping. Good job, guys.
Oh my God, this is going to be so good. Stand by for what we have coming up.
Okay, here I come.
All right, guys, we're pulling the monkey bread out of the oven. We suspected it's done. Look how that rose up. Now we're at 350 for 35 minutes. And we're going to let it sit for a minute. We're going to tip it upside down on the plate. It's supposed to rest for another 15. If you can rest it for 15, if you don't want to get into it, we're going to do that. It's going to be so good. Let me know when.
God, we're recording.
Warm. Oh, that's heaven.
Is it good, guys?
Yeah.
Delicious.
We're going to let it sit for 15 minutes. Then flip it over.
Okay.
Oh boy. That's all right.
No.
Going.
Get out of the way. Get them the
Okay.
glovers.
Give me the mitts. We're going to flip this monkey bread over.
Let's watch this fine attraction.
Hopefully I don't.
I didn't know what to call it.
Hold the plate out. There we go.
No flu that year. No flu.
Well,
Yeah. The,
oh, there
Oh, there.
it goes.
there we go.
I think.
Some of it. That one ball.
Less than 2 inches.
Oh boy.
Woohoo!
Very sassy.
Wow.
That looks amazing.
That does look amazing.
Boy, the smell.
We'll let you know how it turns out, folks. Freezer Bound Outdoors.
Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
Monkey bread.
Put that on freezer burn.